Hi,
Hello.
how are you?
Fine. Are you fine?
I am also fine. How is everyone at home?
Yes, everyone is fine.
What are you doing?
Nothing.
I want to tell you something.
Yes, say I am listening.
Please don't mind anything.
Okay, I won't mind anything.
Actually, I like your smile.
Are you joking?
No, I'm not joking.
I think are you joking with me?
Actually, I really like you.
Again are joking with me.
No, I am telling the truth.
I do not believe.
How can I convince you?
Okay, believe that.
Now I tell you something important.
Okay, tell me.
Will you be my wife?
Yes, I want to be.
Today I'm very happy.
Why?
My wish for many days has come true.
I am also very happy.
Alright, I will send relationship massage to your house.
Send too soon. I am very excited.
Okay, see you again.
If you really like this type of video, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon.